In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to your tasks in Todoist. Whether you're a visual thinker or simply want to keep all elements of a task organized in one place, adding photos can enhance your productivity tools. Let's guide you through the process in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist login page. You can do this by typing in app.todoist.com/login in the address bar. Once there, you should see the familiar login screen. If you're new to Todoist, it's simply about providing your credentials. Enter your email address in the space provided. This is just one way to access your account and is often considered the most straightforward method for many users. Next, you'll need to type in your password. Ensure it's entered correctly as it's case sensitive. A simple tip to remember is to keep your password secure and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, if typing in credentials seems cumbersome or you're on the go, Todoist gives you the option to log in with other accounts you might already be logged into. Click on Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. This feature is quite convenient if you prefer seamless access across multiple devices and services without remembering another password. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the task you want to enhance with an image. Browse through your tasks and select the one that you'd like to add a file to. This brings up the task details on your screen. Now you'll want to look for a small paperclip icon within those task details. This icon is your gateway to attaching files or photos. After clicking the paperclip icon, a prompt will allow you to select a file from your computer, find and choose the photo you wish to upload. This could be a photo that clarifies project requirements, sparks inspiration, or simply gives context to the task at hand. There's also an alternative approach. If you have a link to the photo stored online or any document you want to relate to the task, you can copy that link and paste it into the task comments section. This method is especially useful for larger files that you might not want to upload directly or when working collaboratively, making it easier for others on the task to view the content without downloading. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add photos to your Todoist tasks, creating a richer and more informative task list. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow and brings a little more order to your digital life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your productivity tools.